Hi there, it's Kirk and Tori from the Kirk Tori Story, reporting from our latest escapade in Suva, Fiji. Today we dove headfirst into the heart and soul of Fiji with the Untouched Fiji Combo Tour. Bula! Bula is a Fijian word that holds significant cultural meaning. It's used as a greeting similar to hello in English, but it goes beyond just a simple salutation. Bula embodies the warmth, the friendliness, and hospitality of the Fijian people. And when someone says Bula, it's not just a word, it's an invitation to connect, to share in the joy of life, and to embrace the spirit of Fiji. So, our adventure today kicked off with a dose of history and culture as we wandered through Suva's vibrant streets with our guide, Mr. S. He insisted that we call him Mr. S as we realized it would be impossible for us to say his name. So, here is a little video of him pronouncing his name. Thank you, Mr. S.
Mr. S.
That was quite the name. Anyway, Mr. S from Untouched Fiji Tours took care of us for the whole morning. We had a private tour with him, and he instantly took care of us and began telling us information about the area, the culture, and more. And throughout our drive around Suva and the area, we soaked in sights of landmarks such as the presidential building and soaking up stories of Fiji's colonial past and present day hustle. So our journey continued at the Fiji Museum, where we looked at and read about some ancient artifacts from pottery to tapa clothing, and each one of them whispering tales of Fiji's rich heritage. So, directly next to the museum is the Thurston Gardens, and it's a beautiful park that we got to spend some time just taking a nice walk, enjoying the lush greenery that we found that Fiji had to offer. So, then came the main event. A traditional Kava ceremony in the cozy embrace of Kolosiva village. Hi everybody, it's Kirk and Tori from the Kirk Tori Story, and we're here in Suva, Fiji, and we just got welcomed into a really nice village, and we're about to see a Kava ceremony, and cannibals are coming out. So drum beats and chants filled the air as we did the snake dance with the locals, feeling the rhythm deep in our bones. And let's not forget the fire dance. Talk about a showstopper. You need to check this out. Now, on to the best part, the food. We dug into a spread of Fijian delights, from creamy taro and coconut treats to mouth-watering spinach and eggplant dishes. Seriously, we're still thinking about it. And I even said to one of the local ladies that I would love for her to come with me so that she could share her cooking with us every single day. It was really that good. The traditional Fijian cooking technique that they used for the food that they shared with us is called Lovo. Lovo involves cooking food in an underground oven, typically made by digging a pit in the ground and lining it with hot stones. Food, it's often wrapped in banana leaves for added flavor, and it's placed on top of hot stones, and then it's covered with more leaves, followed by layers of soil to trap in the heat. So the food is slow cooked and in this makeshift oven, and it results in really flavorful dishes that are a staple of the Fijian cuisine. So Lovo is not only a cooking method, but it's a communal and celebratory activity, often associated with special occasions and gatherings like we had today. So I am sure you would understand why we love the food so much. In fact, I would just book a trip to come back here just to see those people so I could eat that again. After bidding farewell to our gracious hosts, we found ourselves driving back into the city amidst the vibrant hustle and bustle of Suva. And we arrived at the local market, rubbing shoulders with Suva's lively crowd and snapping pictures of the friendly faces that we met along the way. We saw so much beautiful natural food. I couldn't even believe the abundance of food, and I kept commenting to the locals as to how fortunate they are to have such amazing food. I loved every second of being in that market, and I hope that these pictures will capture that. So, before returning to the ship, we took some time to have a little stroll along the waterfront, and everybody was very friendly. They were warm, conversational, and again, we did try to capture that experience for you, but honestly, I hope that you have a chance to come to Suva, Fiji as well. So, until our next adventure, Vinaka Vaka Lavu, Fiji. Thanks for watching.